This video I'm going to show you how to get rainbow name on Brawl Stars. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Brawl Stars on your device and sign in to your Brawl Stars account. Now on the application, click on the top left corner of your screen and this will take you to your Brawl Stars profile. In here, go ahead and click on the rainbow icon beside your username on Brawl Stars to be able to view all of the color options that you can choose from for your display name color. So as you can see in here, there is a wide variety of color that you can choose from that you can use for your username on Brawl Stars. So you can simply select from all of these available colors and hit on the back icon to view how this will look like on your Brawl Stars profile. Using rainbow name on Brawl Stars will allow you to play with the available colors for your username on Brawl Stars. And since these usernames are shown while you're playing on the platform or during matches on the platform, this will allow you to make your username stand out from the crowd, and that is how you can simply get rainbow name on Brawl Stars.